So in this TradingView tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view key stats of a stock here on TradingView. So the first thing you have to do is open up TradingView. The next thing you have to do is select a stock. So for this example, I'll just go to the Explore tab here, press on stocks, and then just find a random stock on the US market for this example. So let's just go ahead and select Tesla stock right here. I'll press on Tesla just like this. Once you press on it, the stock chart actually does open up. So if you want to view the all-time chart, the 5-year chart, etc., it is right in front of you. But if you want to view the key stats of a stock, simply just scroll down to where it says key stats right here. Then you can view the volume, the market cap, the price to earnings ratio, the basic EPS, the net income, the revenue, the shares float beta, just sort of the basic stuff right here. But if you want to view more financials, press more financials right here, and then you can go ahead and view it a little bit more in regards to the overview, statement, stats, dividends, etc. Right in front of you. But just for this example, for this video, that is how you guys can view the key stats here of a stock on TradingView, in this case Tesla, but this works for any other stock here on the TradingView application. But yeah, I hope this video helps, and thanks again for watching.